super fast video here. I'm going to demonstrate how I do a repair job. You can see this retainer is cracked right there. Typically these get cracked because they get stepped on. Not a big deal, simple, easy fix. Shouldn't really cost a lot. The only time I charge for something like this is if there's shipping involved. Other than that, it's usually free of charge, no big deal. Let's take care of it, let's move on.
Another good portion of acrylic. What I like to do is put pretty good.
Alright, the next step, we just add some separator. We're going to put our retainer on the model, and then we're going to fill in with acrylic. The most important thing to do is just make sure you get behind that wire and not create air bubbles. This I'm just completing the pattern just to make it look more like you'll never see just to make it look so you can't see the crack. And this way I can make sure that I'm getting no air bubbles. Freeze it with some freeze it with some clear polymer and in the pressure pot. We have our retainer, just took it out of the pressure pot. Take it off. Now all we have to do is finish this, pumice and polish it, and we're done. Next step, we make sure it fits the model. We can go ahead and pumice and polish, and we're done.